I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what
Hi guys, it's Nancy Friday with me, Nancy, and today I want to talk about how you can use contact paper as wallpaper. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, the back of the closet is lined with contact paper. It looks like wallpaper, but it's not. With adhesive already on the back, and you literally just peel and stick, so it's super easy. Anybody can do this. You just kind of measure and then cut it out, peel the back because it's like a sticker like this, and then adhere it to the wall. You can find these at Walmart, Ross, Container Store, anywhere. So this roll is $4.99, and you can see it totally transforms the look of your closet. So most people use this to actually like line a drawer or a shelf. You put it on the bottom, but I use it on the back to look like wallpaper. And that is my Fancy Friday hack, and this is way more inexpensive compared to wallpaper, but it gives the same look. And that's Fancy Friday. Hope everyone is living just fancier.